The Lost Tomb of the Great Khan. A discovery that could change history for centuries, the final resting place of Genghis Khan has remained one of the greatest mysteries of human history. The legendary Mongol conqueror, whose empire stretched across vast regions of Asia and Europe, left behind an empire that shaped the world, but his tomb was never found. Many believed that his burial site was hidden so well that no one would ever locate it. Ancient texts suggest that those who buried him were executed to keep its location a secret. Some even say rivers were diverted, and thousands of horses trampled the land to erase any sign of his grave. Despite this, historians and archaeologists have never stopped searching. And now, after centuries of speculation, a team of researchers may have finally uncovered the greatest archaeological find of the modern era. A discovery in the Mongolian wilderness. The discovery happened unexpectedly. A group of scientists studying climate patterns in Mongolia stumbled upon something unusual in the soil. At first, they were merely collecting sediment samples to study historical weather conditions. But as they dug deeper, they found something far more significant, a formation that was not natural. Using ground-penetrating radar, the team detected a structure hidden beneath the earth. Further scans suggested that it could be a tomb. At this point, experts from around the world were brought in, and excavation efforts began. The site was located near Burkhan Khaldun, a sacred mountain long believed to be connected to Genghis Khan. Legends spoke of the Great Khan being buried somewhere in the area, but no one had ever found proof. As the excavation progressed, more evidence emerged that this was no ordinary burial site. Signs of a great leader's resting place. The first major clues were inscriptions carved into stone, written in ancient Mongolian script. These writings spoke of power, conquest, and the unity of nations, a message fitting for Genghis Khan. Then came the artifacts. Among the treasures were weapons, armor, and ceremonial items. Many of these relics bore the markings of the Mongol Empire. Swords were inlaid with gemstones and shields carried intricate designs. These items were unmistakably connected to Mongolian royalty. But as the team ventured deeper into the tomb, they found objects that defied expectations. The mystery deepens. Unexplained artifacts. Some of the artifacts did not resemble anything known from the 13th century. Strange metal objects were discovered, crafted from materials that seemed too advanced for the era. One such object was a tablet-like stone that had a translucent quality. When exposed to light, it seemed to glow faintly. Nearby, a collection of unusual tools was found, some of which had engravings unlike any recorded language. Even more unsettling were maps found inside the tomb. One particular map depicted landforms that did not match any known geography. Some researchers speculated that it might be a symbolic representation, while others suggested it could be something far more extraordinary. Adding to the intrigue, a collection of organic materials was found stored in sealed containers. Scientists took samples for analysis, hoping to determine their origins. Initial tests suggested that some of these substances contained compounds not commonly found in Mongolian history. But the most shocking revelation was yet to come. A DNA mystery that challenges history. Buried deep within the tomb were skeletal remains, possibly belonging to the